Hello patrons, hello fly babies. Today we're doing our Patreon in review, a weekly video that I make for you to let you know exactly what new videos are out this past week on my Patreon channel. The first three are very highly requested. I'm getting a lot of comments on them, a lot of positive reaction. The first one is how to do the Flylady system for little kids. That's for children between, like, say 4 and 6 or 7, maybe even 3. The second group is for how to do the Flylady system for big kids. And it's got a different tone of voice, and I think it's been really well received for the big kids. And that would be 7 or 8 years old all the way to about 12 years old. And then the third one is for teenagers, 13 to 18. And again, another different tone of voice. And I think it'll be very helpful if it's something you want your kids to see, if they're interested. You know, you're not going to be able to shove it down their throat. That won't be accepted well at all. But if it's something they're interested in, I think you might really enjoy watching it first yourself and then introducing it to your children. Okay, the fourth and fifth videos, another one that got a lot of good response. The fourth one was a request by Kim, and it is analysis paralysis. And that means fear of making a decision, analysis paralysis. And then the last one Melissa had requested is called clutter checks. And I know we talk about clutter checks all the time, but it's a place to find an absolute nugget about how to do clutter checks. So those are the videos for the week. I hope you find them enjoyable. If you're not one of my patrons, please come on over to the patreon.com website or go to the app on your phone, Patreon. You can watch videos through that once you sign up. It's $5 a month. That's what I personally charge for this service. There are no commercials, and if you think about it, it's about a quarter a video because I make a video for every weekday of the month for you. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So be beautiful.